Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In the last episode, we started our boat tour on Route 2 exploring a cave and a temple. Now we are continuing from where we left off to show you the stunning landscapes of Trang An. If you've missed the previous episode, check the link in the description or at the end of this video. This one's going to be exciting and fun, so stay with us, relax and enjoy the video. Without further ado, let's dive back into the adventure.
That was a nice temple, right?
Yeah.
Looks like we're heading to another cave now.
Watch your head.
Yeah, this looks so nice. Yeah. So this cave is 250 meter. It's called Wang Cave. Oh, this has lights.
Whoa.
Nice.
This is cool.
Wow. Passing through this.
Is there any opening?
I think so. Yes.
Yeah. Finally, we see the light at the end of the tunnel. In this case, it's a cave.
Nice. Wow.
Whoa.
So nice. Wow.
Wow. How are you feeling it, Satya? How is this vibe?
Something I haven't experienced in the past, something so different, something so peaceful. And look at these mountains, they are
Huge.
huge. Feels like we are in some Jurassic Park movie.
We are heading to the next cave. That's called Hang Tan Trout Cave, 320 meters. I don't know what I'm saying, but I hope I'm saying it right.
It's called Tan Trout Cave. Tan Trout Cave. Okay, that's a 320 meter and this looks interesting. How shoes navigate so nicely. Okay, time to bend again. This one needs a lot of bending. Oh, look at those. Look at the view. Man. Wow. That is lotus flowers. We had to literally sleep for this cave. It was so low, and you better wear something to protect your head.
This place, man, too good. Especially the caves, the third cave that we went to, we had to literally duck almost every time. It was 320 meter long cave and it was just brilliant. We had to just go down completely. Nice experience though.
So we were just checking with her how many times she does this in a day, and she said it's once, and I think it looks like thrice in a week. mostly. That's what we understood from the Google translation. I hope that's correct.
So this is the second stop for the day, and we are here to see the Den Su Tien Temple.
In English, I think it's known as Soi Tian Temple.
Soi Tian Temple. Yeah. She asked us to meet her the other side, so we have to go this way. Let's go. We are here at Den Su Tien Temple, and this place is just marvelous. Such a huge area, and as soon as you enter the temple, you can see two huge statues. We're not sure if they are rulers or kings or gods. I'm not sure who they are, but they worship them here. And yeah, you're not allowed to take videos, photos inside the temple, so we really couldn't show you what is in there, but it's a really nice place to come. This is our second temple and the second stop of the day. Actually, this place from the top, it would look like this. Look how beautiful it is. So many mountains, and there's a temple here with water around. So beautiful. We finished the temple visit, and now we are heading on the boat, cruising along this beautiful place. And what is the next stop? I'm not sure what is the next stop. Maybe another cave?
Yes, another cave.
Another cave, yeah. Wow, it's a perfect weather today. I mean, it's not too cold, not too hot. We're not sweating. It's just very nice.
We're going in the shadow of the mountains. That's the reason the sunlight is not falling on us, and it's kind of creating this cooling effect on us. So beautiful. The water is suddenly turned into green color, obviously because of the shadow. And there are so many people actually already here. The time is around 11:15. And as Amrita said, there's one more cave we need to visit, and after that I think there's one more temple. Look at those mountains, so humongous.
Look at these lotuses. It's bloomed. Wow. So nice. It's bright pink.
The time is 11:30, so we have already spent 2 hours in this journey, and I think we are heading to our next cave. It's a bit hard to communicate with our captain of the boat, but yeah, we use the Google Translate to communicate, and yeah, sometimes it's just about she shows something saying that, oh, there's a King Kong. We think, oh, it looks like a King Kong. The mountain looks like a King Kong. She said there are 5. Oh, we thought, okay, it's 5 fingers. So we are just assuming certain things, and she wanted to take a photo, and then I had to use a photo of us, and she was saying something like that, and we used the Google Translate, and it said Bóng chai. Bird. Oh, there's a cave.
Yeah,
Holo cave. Ah, there's a holo cave. Yeah, so as I was saying, we are using the Google Translate if in case we want to understand what she is saying. Language barrier definitely is a problem, but yeah, there are ways to overcome it. Either use a Google Translate or just assume whatever you want. Okay, we have decided to help her. She has been pedaling this boat from past 2 hours. I hope I'm helping her. Don't know what she thinks. Hamza, are you ready for the last cave for the day? Last cave ride.
Totally ready.
It's not.
Oh, I can see the opening. Keep yourself down. Whoa. This is the third stop for the day, and we are here to see the Hang Kung Wu Lam, which is Wu Lam Royal Steps. So here, and look at the back, Satya. You have such a good view at the back. There is one temple sort of thing in between the water, and covered with so many mountains. Stunning. That is an amazing spot for a picture. She actually told us to take picture there, so we sat down in front and we took pictures. She took pictures. So sweet. She's communicated the way what I understood was you need to go around this area and meet her at one end. I think that's what she meant.
Okay, looks like we need to climb some steps. Not sure if I heard someone saying there are 500 steps. I'm not sure if that's the one, but let's find out. It's a big problem here that you can't communicate things properly. You have to just assume things, and none of the signs are in English, so it's difficult, sometimes.
Looks like there are 500 steps to some unknown isolated location. I can see some huts there. I don't know what they are, but there are some opening, and then there are so many of them actually. Interesting place. Looks like this was an accommodation for people back in the days, and looks like they've added some garlic and onions here. Shallots. Artificial, I'm not sure if it's real, but these huts, sort of houses that are here, they look really small from far, but actually they are huge. They are really, really huge. I'm sitting on one of them and there's so much space inside. And very, very cool. It's so cool inside.
I think these are real ones. The
Real?
garlic and the onions, yeah, the real ones. These are massive houses. And the roof is so high.
The roof is really high.
Yeah. And this is like, I don't know what kind of grass is this, dried grass. Looks like the ones which are outside.
Yeah.
Yeah. So spacious. It's nice.
You feel cool, right?
Yeah. So the time is 12:45, so we have spent 3 hours 15 minutes in this particular journey, and I didn't realize how the time went. It was a memorable one. If you are in Vietnam, do make sure you visit Ninh Binh and surely come to this particular boat ride. You're going to remember it forever.